M&M is a triple action product. It cleans, degreases and abrades surface areas prior to paint. It delivers a uniform matte finish. It's anti-static, water-based and foams, offering cost in use and also surface lubricity for easy working. Now I'll show you how to use it.
Don't stand up yet.
M&M is ideal for localised repairs and plastic preparation prior to painting. M&M will provide a uniform matte finish to all surface areas treated, and at the end of the matting process or flatting process we simply wipe down with a damp cloth or sponge. For any minor residues left after the matting process and wiping down, we simply wipe the surface area with a clean, dry cloth.
Don't do too much.
M&M is the ideal solution for those awkward, hard to reach areas such as door mirror covers, screen pillars, door handles, plastic vents, door backs and door edges, and door aperture panels. What we have here is a front bumper that's actually coming to a body shop for a localised repair. M&M is going to offer the perfect solution to obviously finish the surface preparation and get into those hard to reach areas prior to painting. So as you can see, the M&M product foams as we start to use it, offering surface lubricity but also ensuring a nice even matted finish. Once we've prepared our surface area, we simply wipe any surface residues off with a damp sponge or cloth. Any minor surface residues left after wiping down with a damp sponge or cloth, we simply remove with a clean, dry cloth. M&M is the ideal solution for all modern paint types. M&M, see you later.